good morning, everybody. 안녕하세요. I hope everyone's not too drunk after yesterday. 어제 너무 네, 알찬 하루가 첫째 날에 좀 많은 어젠다가 있어서 다들 조금 힘드실 것 같은데 오늘이 사실은 저는 메인이라고 생각하거든요. 오늘은 정말 좋은 세션들이 많고 많이 집중하시면 좋을 것 같아서 네, 너무 와주셔서 감사드리고 버스 파업이 있어서 좀 힘드실 것 같아요. 오전에 오시기 좀 힘드셨을 텐데 봐주셔서 너무 감사드리고 또 네, 지금 오늘 비탈릭과 일리아가 지금 기다리고 있어서 바로 소개를 해드리도록 하겠습니다. 일단은 어, Oh, so I had a speech yesterday explaining about KryptoPlanet and BUIDL Asia. So I'll kind of move on and explain about today's agenda. So today we'll be starting with the crypto and AI narrative. And I think crypto and AI is a very big narrative in 2024 and onwards. So I think it's a really worthy discussion to have between Vitalik and Ilya starting out the day. And then we'll start with emerging trends in crypto by Marche and Masari. And then we'll also kind of go into staking, which is a very important aspect in crypto economy. And then I'm really looking forward to the fireside chat with Yatsu and Dongsan, which is my good friend. So really looking forward to that as well. And in the afternoon, we really have an enormous round of talks in the builder stage, which is in the corner, and also the main stage. And actually, Nick White from Celestia was posting that he's pumped to kind of have a solo talk and a modularity. And we have a very spicy fireside chat / debate between Ilya and Nick, moderated by Lane Reddick. And yeah, we kind of go into the crypto investment, which is a very always interesting topic, and also facing the bull market that's coming, I think we can all feel it, right? And so I think it's worthy to hear from our investor side about their take on facing the bull market and how to, make best use of it.